All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So we just took advantage of this flag breakout set up in this morning's live room, and you can see that we optimized for targets in this zone here, and there's a reason we optimized for targets there, which leads me to the purpose of this video, where I want to show you another opportunity, if you miss this one, how we can take a trade in the other direction. So we're just slapping this market about, so we can potentially make even more money out of this market by now shorting the other way. And I want to show you what we're looking at. So the first thing I'm going to do is zoom out, get perspective on the bigger picture. So we've had some news out on the Canadian dollar in the last hour, which has caused this move in the market. What I'm most interested in is where the market's going to. You can see this big bullish rally, and we're pushing up into the 91 flat level, 0.91 flat level. And the first thing I'm going to do is go out to the daily time frame, and I'm going to draw on a horizontal line here at where we're trading right now at the top of this zone. Now, immediately, you can already see that this was previous structure resistance, right, where we're at right now. But you can also see that this zone was previous resistance. Also, we had this nice shelf here of resistance. And if we zoom out and get a bigger picture, bigger perspective on this, you can see that, let me just bring on my tool. You can see that we actually held here, we held here, right? It was also support here previously, here, and we also had this really nice story of price battling that zone back in this time last year. So November, December last year, we were hovering around this zone, and we had this big tug of war going on, as you can see there, right? That story in itself shows that there is some significance at this level, this 0.91 flat level. And obviously you can zoom out and you can go back and you can see time and time again, this is a major, major level of structure. What does that mean for us? It means that we could potentially take advantage of shorting this market for some quick profits. And that's what I'm going to be looking to do right now. So whenever we have a big bullish run like this, we love to see a hold at these significant levels. It's different if we've kind of slowly ebbed and flowed up to the level and we've kind of dribbled up. This isn't like that. We've had a big push up. We've had a massive extension in one very, very short period of time. And then what we can do is we can start looking at our trading time frame to see how price reacts. Okay, so we know that it's major structure. Right now we can start looking at other indicators that will play into it being a high probability setup for a short, thinking as like, trying to think as like as many other traders as possible. I know a lot of you guys who watch this channel have messaged me, and you like trading equal measured moves. So some of you guys are painting on your equal measured moves, Fibonacci extensions, Fibonacci ratios. You might be using even handle numbers, which we've got as well. But ultimately, what I'm really looking at is structure, and I'm waiting to see how price reacts, price action patterns. And as long as we don't close above this high, which is the previous high, I know that this is a valid setup for a double top. So I'm not as aggressive to trade a lower low, lower close, or just next bar market. What I really want is a double top. The beauty of that is I can go down to the lower time frame to get the double top. So I can use a lower trading time frame for a double top, which means we're already overbought on RSI. So now I'm just looking for a retest of this zone. And if we can get a retest of this zone and we don't violate the previous high, that'll be a valid double top. And then I can look to short. Where will my targets be? Well, the targets, if I can get in at best case scenario here, targets are going to be based on that trading time frame, and I don't really want to fight beyond any structure whatsoever. So you see this little lip here? I'll be going straight above that previous high there where we held that level, and I'll be taking secondary targets down here above this high at 90.28. Okay, so initial targets here at 90.45, and then I'll just scoop off, squeeze out a bit more profit down to 90.28 for those additional targets. And when I hit my target ones, I'll take half the position off, roll my stops to break even, and then I'll be in a risk-free trade. So hope that's helpful. Let me know what you think or what you're looking at on this pair. I thought I'd share it with you before it plays out, because I always like to share these as and when. So I'm laying my cards on the table. There's no hindsight trade. There's enough of those guys out there. I just want to show you the realistic approach and what I'm looking at trading. And I hope that helps you refine your analysis and maybe give you a tip or two on some opportunities that you didn't see before. So if If you like it, comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.